Good morning, student. You are watching You Will Laugh Math for beautiful mathematics learning and beautiful mathematics content with proper problem solving. So, today I will discuss a very important fundamental chapter of geometry. Though I have taught this topic through my digital media by using a tablet, but some of the students are telling that if I discuss this in elaborate way in board, so it will be helpful for them. So today I will discuss the sum of angles of any polygon equals to 180 degree into n minus 2, where n is the sides of the polygon. One important thing, the polygon is regular polygon. Okay, so regular polygon means, do you know what is regular polygon? Wait, so do you know what is regular polygon? So first we will discuss a regular polygon. Regular polygon, fine. So what is regular polygon? Regular polygon means, if this is a triangle, if all sides are equal, what you will tell it? You will tell it as a equilateral triangle. So means these sides are equal, so it is a regular triangle, we can tell it's a regular triangle. Fine, it's a regular triangle. If you know the square, square means all sides are equal, so it is also a regular quadrilateral. Regular quadrilateral, fine. So it's a, all sides are equal, it's a regular pentagon, so I am not writing it. So understand what is regular. Regular means all sides are equal. So as per the geometry, the all angles will be also equal. All angles will be also equal here. So this angle will be this angle. So the theorem is telling that the sum of the angles, sum of the angles is 180 degree into n minus 2, where n is the side of the polygon, where n is the side of the polygon. So how can we prove it? It's a very fundamental proof, and the thing is, understand very carefully. From this theorem, you are not only getting the value of that sum of the all internal angles equals to 180 into n minus 2, you also get the value of the value of external angle. How we will show it later in this class also. External angle, value of external angle. Second thing, finding a way to get the number of sides from external angle. Fine. So understand very carefully that we are getting here the theorem which is stating that the sum of internal angles, all sum of all internal angles of the regular polygon is 180 degree into n minus 2, and from that we are also getting this thing and this thing, that a relation between external angles and the number of sides. So how can we prove it? Let's start to prove it. Okay, so for that we will take a polygon like that, like an octagon. Fine. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Since it is a freehand drawing, all sides are not equal exactly measurement to scale, but assume it all are equal. Okay, so so the thing is, here all sides are equal. So now from here, if we draw a triangle like that, so if I can draw a triangle like that, I can draw for other side also. Understand? I can draw to other sides also. So how many triangles are getting? Number of sides. So we are getting we are getting here n triangles. Here n triangles, since the number of sides is n. Here it is 8, but for general case it's we are n triangle. So being the triangle like that, being the triangle. So, okay. So this angle is dividing into two halves. So this angle, if it is A, this is also A. It is also A, it is also A, because it is dividing equal halves, it is dividing because it is regular polygon. Okay, so all sides are A. So this sum is 2A, this sum is 2A. Now what is the angle? If we are assuming that this is theta, and since it is n angle, sorry, n triangles and n angles, so total n number of triangles will be there. Understand very carefully. According to that, there will be n angles, and all are equal angles because they are regular. So theta will be, understand very carefully, theta will be 360 degree by n. And okay, so what is a, from that triangle, if it is ABC, then from triangle ABC we are getting 2A plus theta equals to 180 as per the sum of triangles. We know that. But you can tell me that, or you can ask me that triangle is also a regular. Sorry, triangle is also a polygon, not regular. Regular may be for the equilateral. Triangle is also polygon. So how we are getting 180? How we are getting 180? We can get it 180 for the triangles, but for the other uh, polygon we can't get it. So we need to prove it. But in triangle, I can show you by the theorems of uh, parallel lines and transverse. I can show you, or we can understand, we can prove that sum of the angles of the triangle is 180. And after that, for the polygon theorem also we can prove, but use to prove the polygon theorem, polygon angle theorem, 180 is required. Understand? So 2a plus theta. So here a will be 180 degree minus theta by 2, and again we are getting theta equals to 360 by n. Put the value here. So we are putting the value here, 180 degree minus 360 degree by n by 2 by 2. So divide by 2, 90 minus 180 degree by 2. Sorry, 180 degree by n. Fine. So now take common 90 from here. Take common 90 from here. 1 minus 2 by n, and it is degree. So now 90 into n minus 2 by n is a. So you are getting a as 90 into n minus 2 into a. So n minus 2 by n. It is a. So if a is that, then 2a will be, then 2a will be 2a will be 2 into 90 into n minus 2 by n. Understand? So 180 degree, remove it, 180 degree into n minus 2 by n. So this is an important result we are getting here. 180 degree into n minus 2 by n is one angle or one angle of that polygon for a regular polygon. So how many angles are there? This like that, n angles. So the n into 2a will be 180 degree into n minus 2 by n into n. N will be cancelled out. So answer will be 180 degree into n minus 2. So this is the answer. A beautiful theorem of polygon we have proved here. Now for the second thing, how this is relating the value of external angle. Okay, so for the external angle we can remove these things, and only this picture is required. So for the external means this angle is external. So you are getting 2a, what you are getting 2a you are getting as 180 degree into n minus 2 by n. So this is a straight line. So this angle, if it is alpha, so alpha will be 180 degree minus 2a. So thus subtract and you will get the value of external angle. So 180 degree into n minus 2 by n. So take 180 common, it will be 1 minus n minus 2 by n. Fine, n minus 2 by n. So external angle will be 180 degree into n minus n plus 2 by n. N will be cancelled out. So the value will be 360 degree by n. So the one external angle will be 360 degree by n. So finding a way to get the number of sides from external angle. So number of sides is n. So you are getting alpha equals to 360 degree by n. Understand? So if you know the external angle, then you will get the side. If you know that a number of sides, then you get the external angle. Understand? So we are getting here basically the thing is sum we are getting as 180 degree into n minus 2. Second thing we are getting external angle alpha equals to 360 degree by n. Again we are getting the number of sides n equals to 360 degree by alpha. So if you know, if alpha is given, then you will find n. If alpha is given, then you will find n. If n is given, then you find external angle. From that external angle also you can get one internal angle, and then you will find the sum of internal angle. Sum, you can write here sum of internal angles. Fine. So hope you have understood the thing what I have learned. It is a very good theorem, very good concept, fundamental concept. Keep in mind, keep learning good mathematics, keep learning proper theory of mathematics. Hope you are understanding with You Will Love Math. If this is helpful, If the video is helpful, if the content is helpful, if the teaching is helpful, please do share this knowledge, this content with others, so that others can get a good knowledge of mathematics from You Will Love Math. Thanks for today's class.